Good morning, everyone. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the School Founders Day and the International Yoga Day. First of all, we welcome everyone on this special occasion. I request our Principal Ma'am and Dhaulkar Ma'am to do Saraswati Puja to inaugurate this special occasion.
जय शारदे वागीश्वरी जय शारदे वागीश्वरी विधिकन्यके विद्याधरी वागीश्वरी वागीश्वरी जय शारदे वागीश्वरी ज्योत्स्ने परी कांती तुझी ज्योत्स्ने परी कांती तुझी मुखरम्य शारद चंद्रमा उजळे तुझ्या हास्यातुनी चारी.
I request Dhaulkar Ma'am to express her views.
Very good morning to everyone. Today is a wonderful day for Anekant English Medium School because it is the birthday of our school. Foundation Day means birthday. Now we are 7 years old. That. So today is a wonderful day and I welcome all the staff members, teachers, all our dear students and the parents. Because without you people, there is no meaning to the school. That. So this is a school striving to give education to rural students. And we care for everyone. We are for everyone. And we don't only cater the elite class. That. So today is here, it takes us pride. I have got immense pleasure. This day gives us an opportunity to take stock of our achievement and make us understand that we should rededicate our efforts to make this school the best in Baramati. That already it has earned a place in this Baramati. That many are telling it is one of the best school. Some are even telling it is the best. So we have to make it. We should prove it. The school started in 2014 with only 25 students. Now the 7 years journey, it is a roller coaster under the guidance of the able principal Rakhi Mathur. Credit goes to her. Then. And I am thankful to Madam for giving me a chance to serve in this school. So the mission of our school is to enable our students to face the challenges. The education, due to globalization, the education has undergone sea change. And our goal is to weapon our students to face all the challenges and to become dutiful, dedicated, and forward-thinking students. And I know that under the guidance of Rakhi Mathur and all the dedicated, determined, devoted teachers, we can achieve this. So once again, I welcome all of you on this wonderful day. A handful of visionaries started this institution. A great welcome to all. Those visionaries are the chairman and the trustees. Without our support, we would not have achieved this. Now the strength of our school is 1,349. Every year school is increasing. The strength is increasing. In this pandemic situation also, our strength has increased because we provide quality education to the public. Parents are happy with us. They are an integral part of our institution. So once again, I welcome everyone. Today is also International Yoga Day. Yoga creates great impression. It boosts our immunity. Do you know who is the first yoga teacher? That is none other. It is Lord Shankar. He is the first yoga teacher. His wife Parvati is very active and restless. In order to make her calm, Lord Shankar taught her yoga along with Saptarishi. And those 7 sages, they taught yoga to the other people. So yoga is the brainchild of India. That yoga is a stress booster. It is good for immunity. It makes us calm. It keeps us fit and fine. So I request everybody to do yoga. So with this, I end my speech. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I request Principal ma'am to say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. Today, 21st of June, is a very special day. It is the School Founders' Day, the day when the school was established in this new building in the year 2014. Today, we have gathered here to pay tribute to the founders of this temple of learning, the founders of Anekant English Medium School, who planted the seeds of knowledge and paved the way for its growth and nourishment in the years to come. The visionaries of Anekant Education Society dreamt of a school which would cater to the educational needs of the people in and around Baramati and provide young students not just bookish knowledge but means to live a responsible and fruitful life and make their own small contribution to the world in which they live. As the founder principal of this school, I feel a sense of pride and satisfaction in stating that since 2014, the school has grown by leaps and bounds. We have progressed stepwise from nursery to class 1, and today we are ready with the first batch of class 10 who will appear for the board exams in 2022. This journey of growth, development, and learning has been a wonderful experience for me. This dream has become a reality, not just with the help of our visionaries, but also with the help of the dedicated teachers. Their sincerity, dedication, and perseverance has helped this school to grow. A big salute to these dear educators. I also take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to our chairman, sir, and the management and the other members of the Anekant School Committee. Without their support, our journey would not have been so fruitful. In the words of Helen Keller, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. At the end, I would like to once again wish you all a very happy Founders' Day. Love your school, be loyal to your school, and make the school flag fly high, not just in Maharashtra, but in the whole of India. Today, I also wish you a very happy International Yoga Day. Now, Likar ma'am has already explained to you the importance of yoga. So, I would like to just end by saying that do exercise daily, be fit and strong, Take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
गच्छध्वं संवदध्वं गच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संवो मनांसि जानतां संवो मनांसि जानतां देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे संजानाना उपासते संजानाना उपासते संजानाना उपासते संजानाना उपासते संजानाना उपासते.
शुद्ध पद्मासनमध्ये एक पाय फक्त पद्मासन स्थितीमध्ये वर घ्यायचा आहे. आता पूर्ण पद्मासन. लेफ्ट पाय आधी घेतला आहे, नंतर डावा पाय राईट पाय तुमच्या लेफ्ट पायावर ठेवायचा आहे आणि ध्यान मुद्रेमध्ये किंवा चीन मुद्रेमध्ये बसायचं आहे. आपलं थंबची फिंगर आणि फर्स्ट फिंगर याच्यामध्ये ह्या मुद्रेमध्ये आपल्याला बसायचं आहे. पाठीचं कणा ताठ, मान एकदम ताठ ठेवायची आहे, कंबर एकदम ताठ. मनामध्ये कुठलाही विचार नको आहे. 2 मिनटं आपण डोळे बंद करून मेडिटेशन करणार आहोत. मेडिटेशनमुळे आपल्याला रोज दिवसभर जो ताण पडतो आहे, जे ऑनलाईन आपण शिक्षण घेत आहोत, त्याच्यामुळे शरीराला, मनाला, डोळ्यांना येणारा ताण आपल्याला दूर करायचा आहे. ते मेडिटेशनमुळेच आपल्याला साध्य होणार आहे. म्हणून घरी राहून रोज सकाळी आपण 5 मिनटं स्वतःला द्यायचं आहे, मेडिटेशन करायचं आहे. आता आपण ओंकार करणार आहोत. खोल श्वास घ्यायचा आहे आणि ओंकारचा उच्चार आपल्याला करायचा आहे. इनहेल म्हटल्यानंतर श्वास घ्यायचा आहे, ओंकार म्हणायचे. ओम असं म्हटल्यानंतर मचा सुद्धा उच्चार आला पाहिजे. इनहेल Inhale. Inhale. Join your hand. आपण प्रार्थना म्हणणार आहोत. Sit straight, back straight. Join your hand. माझ्या मागे प्रार्थना म्हणायची आहे. गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णू गुरुर्देव महेश्वरा गुरुर साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Today, International Yoga Day 2021. The International Yoga Day's theme is Be with Yoga, be at home. So students, do yoga every day at home. Be safe, be secure at home. Thank you.